Hi guys, I'm coming in. I finally got my video camera arm, and we're in the same position we were before I had it when I had the tripod, because I had to get a different desk because this one, it wouldn't clamp to anything because it had sides, so I had to get a different desk, and now it's clamped to the front of my desk, so I don't have a tripod on my desk anymore. But in saying that, it's a little bit shaky if I move it, so I'll try not to bump too much so it doesn't shake. Anyway, I thought I'd come in and do an opening, box opening, whatever you call it, unboxing, because I got a clay press. It's like a pasta machine, but it's smaller and lighter, and it doesn't have the extra pieces on it like a pasta machine would have, the you know, the bit to make pasta, to cut it into little strips or whatever. It doesn't have that. But we're going to open this. I broke my nail. Now I have a short nail and I can't open anything. I have to use my other fingers. We're going to open this together and see what it's all about. I paid $34.50 for this. You guys in America, it's probably heaps cheaper than that over there, but that's what it cost me, $34.50. So it better be good, because the pasta machine that I had was also about $30, but it had, you know, all the extra bits for pasta making, and I didn't need that. So move that. So here it is. It's tiny compared to what I'm used to. And here's the arm. Slides in there, and it's kind of a really big arm for such a tiny little machine. And this is the clamp to clamp it on. I'm not sure what this part's for. Looks like something slots in there, but I don't know what, because it didn't come with anything else. What would slot in there? I don't know. You guys see that? It's got like a little slots there. I don't know what that would be for. I don't know. Anyway, it's got rubber stoppers on the bottom, and obviously you can't use this on your desktop because it hits the table. So you have to have it clamped to your table on the side so that the handle can sit off, so you can turn it. That's okay. I can clamp it to the side of my table. That's fine. I'm still wondering what these are for, though. These bits here, looks like something slides in there. I don't know what that's for. It doesn't say anything on the box. It just says perfect for blends and marbling. Includes a table clamp, easy to use, and it has 9 thickness settings. And that's all it says. It doesn't actually say what these bits are for. If anybody can tell me what those bits are for, that would be cool. So yeah, here's the side of the box. You can see it's got the images. That's how you change your settings. You pull the knob out and it's got numbers on it. What's it? Easy to use. You just clamp it to the side of your table and turn the handle. That's showing you how to clamp it there. And that's just a picture of some clay going through. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to be using this in upcoming videos. My next video, in fact, will be of me making some polymer clay tiles. So yeah, that'll be good, because I'm going to make some mosaics as well. Anyway, I'm going to move this off, and I just thought I'd share that with you guys, and I'll be back soon making some tiles. Okay, bye.